got him.
Huh?
You got him. You got your bullet in there.
Did I hit him? Huh?
Yeah, you got him. We gotta get bullets in this gun.
He's going down.
Punch him right there.
Huh?
Punch him right there if you got it. You've hit him good.
There he goes down. He's down.
Yeah, he's going.
Okay.
All right,
We
Tim.
just got a nice Manti bull elk, 550 yards.
Tim
laying-
smacked him, slammed him.
Laying across the canyon. Now we got to go look at him. Hope my legs will hold up.
Oh, we'll
Yeah.
make sure you get to that bull.
That's a nice bull, especially when I saw him roll.
Yeah.
Really got to see his horns good.
Yeah, he's got a nice back to him.
Yeah,
Good looking bull.
that's a nice bull.
Let's check him out.
Gosh darn, yeah, good job, Nate.
All
Anyway,
right.
this is a Manti bull elk, late season. Nice bull. Only one busted horn. If you're looking to shoot a nice Manti bull, contact Nate Richards, Pete's, Huntington, Utah.
Thanks for the advertisement, Tim. He's a great bull, man. Great looking bull. Especially on a late hunt where everything is busted up. We're lucky that was the only thing major broke on this bull, was that third there. But it doesn't take away from him. He's an awesome looking bull. Yeah. So, hey Tim, let's hear how this went down, huh?
Well, Nate told me it was going to be a short hike. Turned out to be a long hike.
Yeah, you should know better.
Anyway, we had rain, we had sleet, we had wind. They spotted them. We finally waited maybe an hour, hour and a half, and they finally got up, and we got a shot at them, and we got a lucky hit here, and praise God.
Yeah. That's it. Thumbs up from Tim.
I can't go back up anymore.